Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are well. Your study is running properly. Now again I am with you. So we are going to start your online maths class. So as you know, we are studying this time the chapter pair of linear equation in two variables. Some parts we have already discussed of this chapter and some are left. Okay, so in previous video we have discussed on the topic substitution method, and it is a kind of algebraic method. So we have already discussed on this, but today we are going to discuss on the topic that is elimination method. It means by elimination method how we will solve the given equations. Because I already told you there are the three kinds of algebraic methods. First we have discussed, second we are going to discuss. So today's topic is solving system of equations by elimination method. Okay. Now what are the objectives today's? Learn the procedure of the elimination method using addition. Okay. Second is there, learn the procedure of the elimination method using multiplication. And third is there, solving systems of equation using the elimination method. Okay, so we'll start with an example. Consider the two equations. They are x minus 2y is equal to 5 and 2x plus 2y is equal to 7. Okay, so first we will take as a addition, elimination using addition. By the addition, how we can eliminate term? First thing understood beta, what is the elimination? Elimination means we know in this kind of equation we have two variables. So in elimination procedure we need to remove any one variable. Either maybe by addition or by subtraction. Okay, so see here, x minus 2y is equal to 5, one equation is there, and second equation is there, 2x plus 2y is equal to 7. So if we will add both the equations, so we can see 2y and 2y both are the like term and having different symbol. So what will happen? 2y and 2y will be cancelled. See here, in this one, x minus 2y is equal to 5 and 2x plus 2y is equal to 5. When we will add both the equations, so 2y are cancelled, and x plus 2x is equal to 3x, and 5 plus 7 is equal to 12. That's why x is equal to 4. So now we have got the value of x, and you already know how will you find out the value of second variable. We need to put this value in any equation. We have the two equations, so we'll put the value of x, that is 4, in any one equation. Okay, so see here, x, so we are putting the value of x in first equation. So x minus 2y is equal to 5. So in place of x we can write 4. So 4 minus 2y is equal to 5. So minus 2y is equal to 1, and 1y is equal to minus 1 upon 2. So what the coordinate are there? 4 comma minus 1 upon 2. Okay, got it? I hope so you have understood this example. Now elimination using addition, one more example with you. But see here, 3x plus y is equal to 14 first equation, and 4x minus y is equal to 7. It is the second equation. Y and y both are the like term and they having the different symbol also. So what we will do here? We will add both the equations. So we are adding here. In that case, y are cancelled, and 3x plus 4x is equal to 7x, and 14 plus 7, that is 21. That's why x is equal to 3. So what the point are coming? What the value of x is coming? 3. So now again we need to put the value of x in any one equation. So we are putting the value of x in first equation. That's why 3x plus y is equal to 14. So in place of x we need to write 3. So 3 3 is 9 plus y is equal to 14. Y is equal to 14 minus 9, that is 5. So coordinates are 3 comma 5. So we use the elimination method if we can immediately cancel out two like terms. Got it? So these are the examples. We need to solve it. You need to solve it. Two examples are given here and answers are also given here. Now we need to discuss on elimination using multiplication. So again we are taking two equation, pair of linear equation in two variables, that is 6x plus 11y is equal to 5 minus 5 sorry, and 6x plus 9y is equal to minus 3. So what we will do here, when we add equation together, nothing cancel out. It means, beta, you can see here there are two equations, 6x plus 6x plus 11y is equal to minus 5 and 6x plus 9y is equal to minus 3. If we are adding both the equation, can any term will be cancelled? No, not possible. No term will be cancelled. So here addition is not required, because see, if we are adding both the equation, to 6x 12x 11y 9y 20y and minus 5 minus 3 8. So any variable is cancelled here? No. So we will not add here. Got it? Why we are not adding here? Okay. So what we will do here? So 6x both are the like term. They can be cancelled. But how they will be cancelled? By multiplication. By multiplication. If we will multiply it by minus 1, so it will be cancelled or not? Okay, so what we are doing? So we are multiplying first equation by minus 1. We are multiplying first equation by minus 1. So if you when you will multiply by minus 1, so what will happen? All the symbol will be changed. So 6x become minus 6x, 11y become minus 11y, and minus 5 become plus 5. So see what we have done. We have changed the symbol to minus 6x minus 11y is equal to 5. Now 6x minus and plus 6x both are cancelled, and minus 11y and plus 9y, that is minus 2y, and 5 minus 3, that is 2. That's why minus minus cancel and 2 is a 1. So y is equal to, sorry, minus is not, only one side is minus there. That's why minus is transposed towards the right side, and 2 and 2 both are cancelled. So y is equal to minus 1. So what the value of y is coming, that is minus 1. So again we will do the same thing. We'll put the value of y in any one equation. So we are putting the value of y in second equation here. So 6x plus 9y is equal to minus 3. Okay. So 6x plus, in place of y we will write minus 1. So 9 minus 1 multiplied by, that is minus 9. Okay. So minus 9 is equal to minus 3. 6x plus minus 9 is equal to minus 3. So what will happen? Minus 9 will transpose towards the minus 3. So it will come 6 plus 6 will come. Here what happened? We have done the different thing here. We are adding both side plus 9. We are adding both side plus 9. You will use this method also. Otherwise simply transpose it. Minus 9 here. When you will transpose towards the right side, so it will convert into the plus 9. To minus plus 9 minus 3, that is plus 6. So 6x is equal to 6. That's why x is equal to 1. So what the coordinate are there? 1 comma minus 1. Got it? One more, clear or not? What the coordinates are there? 1 comma minus 1. So we have done this. Okay, got it? Elimination using multiplication. This was the multiplication. One more example of multiplication. So x plus 2y is equal to 6, 3x plus 3y is equal to minus 6. But again you can see here, if we are adding the equation, to no term will cancel. No term will be cancelled here. So what we will do? See here, but 3x is here, there is x. So if we will multiply first equation by minus 3, so in place of x what will come? Minus 3x or not? It will come. In that case both first term will be cancelled. That's why we are multiply by minus 3 to eliminate the x term. Got it? So we have written here x plus 2y is equal to 6 and complete close in bracket and outside minus 3. So we will multiply to minus 3 is multiply x. So what will come? Minus 3x, and minus 3 plus 2 minus 6y, and minus 3 into 6, that is minus 18. So see here, same equation are coming. Minus 3x plus minus 6y is equal to minus 18. Here you can write only minus, because plus minus into minus. Now second equation will remain same, no changes there. So 3x and plus minus 3x both are cancelled, and minus 6y plus 3y, that is minus 3y, and 18 both and 6 both are the like term and having same symbol. That's why addition is there. तो -18 -6 that is -24. So y is equal to 8. Again we'll put the value of y in any one equation. So we are putting the value of y in first equation. So x plus 2 into 8 that is 16. So what the value of x is coming, that is -10. So what the coordinate is there? Coordinate is here. What is the coordinate here? Coordinate is here -10 comma 8. -10 comma 8. Got it? Clear or not? Now questions for you. Two questions I have given to you by multiplication and answers are also given here. Okay. Now the third one, some more complex examples, problems I am giving to you. See here. So 3x plus 4y is equal to -25 and 2x minus 3y is equal to 6. Sometimes questions are coming in those one if we are multiplying any one equation, so one term is not cancelled. So in that case what we will do? Simple thing here beta. If you find this kind of equation where you are multiplying any single equation by a digit but nothing is cancelled, nothing is eliminated there, so what you will do? Simple thing, first equation multiplied by the second coefficient and second equation multiplied by the first coefficient of any variable. Suppose we want to cancel here x. What we want to cancel here? We want to cancel here x. So what is the coefficient of x here? 3. What is the coefficient of x here? 3. So we need to multiply second equation by 3. And what is the coefficient of x in equation 2? That is 2. So we need to multiply first equation by 2. But here symbols are same, so we can change any one symbol. Either we can take -2 or we can take -3 to change the symbols. Got it? So first equation multiply by 2 and second equation multiply by -3. You can change it also. You can write here multiply by -2 and multiply by +3. Got it? Okay. So see here. We are multiplying. Again we will write the inside the bracket. This is the right concept how we will write. Okay, so we keep the equation inside the bracket and multiplying digit outside the bracket. Okay, so when we will multiply, the new equation will form. These are 6x plus 8y is equal to -50 and -6x plus 9y is equal to -18. Okay, now again +6 and -6 both are the like term and different symbol there cancel. 9 plus 8y that is 17y and -50 -18 68. So y is equal to -68 upon 17, that is x comma -4. Again we need to put the value of x in the any one equation. So we are putting the value of x in first equation, that is 3x plus 4y is equal to -25. So in place of y we will write here -4. 2x minus plus 12 is equal to 6. Will transpose, so it will become -2. That's why x is equal to -3. So what the coordinates are coming? -3 comma -4. So these are the coordinate and these are the solution of the pair of linear equation two variables. So now the examples for you, questions for you, you need to solve these questions. Okay, I hope so you have got it. This one, this is the clear thing. Now the time to solve NCERT exercise. So I am giving you NCERT exercise in homework. You need to practice of that and solve all the questions. If any kind of problem is there, you can talk to me. Okay, I hope you have understood the elimination method. Okay, thank you everyone and have a nice day.